Welcome to DrStar Fix. Today, we're going to learn how to repair a fused light bulb. Has your bulb stopped working? No worries. By the end of this video, you'll know how to fix it yourself. Let's get started. Look at this. This bulb isn't turning on. Most of the time, bulbs stop working due to a broken filament or a loose connection. Now let's fix it step by step. We'll need a screwdriver, a tester, a soldering iron, and a small wire. Remember, safety comes first. Always turn off the power before repairing a bulb. First, carefully open the base of the bulb. If the filament is broken, it needs to be replaced. If the wires are loose, reattach them using a soldering iron. Now place the bulb back into the socket and test it. And that's it. As you can see, the bulb is working again. You can easily repair your fused bulb at home too. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel DrStar Fix. See you in the next video. Until then, keep fixing.